Well, ask any kid right now, and they'll tell you they aren't ready for summer to end. But the reality is the first day of school isn't that far away. So our DIY expert, Vida Urbonas, joins us now with a few things to do to get your kid excited to go back to school by making a present for their new teachers. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
You have brought a lot of really fun gifts here. What'd you bring today?
Well, so it started out that I was making DIY teacher gift presents for CO&Co, and then I got my glue gun out. And I got really excited, so then I went to the dollar store and created all of these others over here. You can just glue gun this. This goes, dollar store, this goes in the locker.
That is so cute.
And you just put that on that side. A lot of pencil ideas.
Where did you come up with some of these ideas?
You know, you scroll around on Pinterest and you see ideas, you know, through that as well. But then when you start making them, then that's when I came up with more ideas. And I saw things at the dollar store. Okay, pom-poms. Oh, wait, you know, a mirror for your locker.
That's a great idea.
And you want to make it fun. And of course, you know, if you've done any back to school shopping, which we have been doing, it gets really expensive.
Very expensive, very expensive.
So I always think about budget, easy, fun, and gifts for your teacher. Also the front desk, those gals and guys up there, they do so much, and you just want to kind of appreciate them. So we kind of came up with some fun ideas that they can put out on their desks and think about you, and maybe kind of kiss up a little bit.
Not necessarily. I mean, it's showing your appreciation, right?
Yes.
Show me what you brought today. What are we going to make?
All right, so we're going to show you how to make. This is what we're going to show you today. Is this? Look at that. That's a number 2 pencil.
Very
cute.
This
is chalkboard ABCs, and this is the rulers for 1, 2, 3. Over here, again, we're showing you how to make these. Just you can do a regular potted plant, but just kind of like flowers with pencils for your teacher. So that way nobody can steal it because they're going to know.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, and then over here, real quick, this is the candle for relaxation time at the end of the day with some pencils that I got at the dollar store with a glue gun.
We have a video that you're on YouTube all the time, and so you actually show and post these on YouTube and on your channel here. So let's take a look at how you make these.
We're going to show you first how to make the ones with the mason jars. You get your mason jars. I just got some inexpensive chalk paint. Did several coats of that in the white first. Little sandpaper, sanded it down, and then I actually just took a Sharpie and wrote 1, 2, 3 for my rulers. Put the top back on, put your rulers in. Next, I did the chalk paint. So this is actually, you could write on this with chalk if you want to too.
Cute.
Which is really cute. Again, you want to do multiple layers. Let it dry in between. Take that sand. You can make it look as distressed as you want with that
just
sandpaper.
by sanding.
Yeah, just a little bit fine sandpaper. Then with that, I actually used just a pen, paint pen, and put ABC on there. Now we're moving on to, this was just a regular yellow paint. Did the same thing there, put the lid on, put the pencils on that. Now we're moving on to our pencils that I got these at the dollar store, and I got those flowers over at a craft store. Used a glue gun to tag it on, and got some rocks from the dollar store and made that there. This, again, is probably one of the easiest. It's a little hard to make it stick with the glue gun, but that's when you put the ribbon around it at the end. So just kept glue gunning it all the way around.
Idea.
I know, and you can do this with a vase too, but you just want to do something. Again, this was $2. The candle was $1 at the dollar store, and the pencils were $1 at the dollar store too. Took a ribbon that I had around the house, tied it off. Yeah.
And the teacher will really appreciate that. Like you said, after the school ends, long day, she wants to relax, she can light the candle and appreciate and think of that student every single day when she does that. What are some other tips maybe you have for parents who really want to get their kids excited for first day of school?
Well, just by going with my kids and doing this shopping, they got so excited. Like, that's why we ended up making this. This was just one of, again, from the dollar store. I got these rulers. Over here. I'm going to hold them up for you right there.
Oh, there we go.
Down. Sorry about that. I'm moving around on you too much. So these are rulers. I used a scissor to cut out, used a glue gun to put that on as well. Right here was just like a pencil holder. And of course, a lot of kids love pom-poms.
Of course,
so I took the glue gun out on this one as well. Over here.
I love that idea for the locker.
Yeah, she's like loving this to get these locker things, and they're quite expensive. So this was $1 at the dollar store. Took a glue gun, attached that on there as well, and did the same thing with these flowers as well. But I just think just getting out there, like my daughter's now excited to go back to school.
What grade is she going to be?
They're going into 7th grade.
They're twins,
are going into 7th grade this year. And yes, he's not as excited, but she is because she's getting all this cool stuff.
Yes, she gets to go, take it all to school, and all the girls are going to say, "Where'd you get that?" And then she can actually show them how to make it, or tell them about your YouTube channel because you have a lot of craft ideas on there.
Yes, we I've been finishing a whole series on Fortnite, so I just finished a whole series on 5 DIY, easy DIY Fortnite party party ideas, because we came on, I think it was like a month or two ago, and we did that whole Fortnite dance with you, because people are just really into that
Oh
right
my
now.
gosh, I know. And my boys are teenagers, like 18 and soon to be 16, and they play Fortnite too. So it's, everybody loves it. Talk about how much we should budget for these back to school gifts.
Well, for these, honestly, again, not that expensive. I got these 50% off at the craft store, the mason jar. So they were about $1 each. The pencils were $1 each. I think this paint, if I still have it, was like $1 something. So really, you can go out and really show appreciation for your teachers, your friends. You can get
Under
this to your
$10.
friends. Yes, you can go. I mean, you can make a bunch of these for all your friends. Also put them on your desk at home, so it makes studying fun.
I was thinking also for myself at the like my makeup counter, you could use it for your brushes.
Yes.
A cute little way to do it. All right, thank you so much. I appreciate you coming on the show.
You can put it in a holder like this.
Yep, that's adorable.
Get really creative.
Check it out, you guys. We're going to post these recipes to our website at ColoradoandCo.com. That's ColoradoandCo.com. Find all of Vida's DIY tips by subscribing to her YouTube channel, the parenting channel. You can also check out her website at cookcraftkids.com. She bakes, oh my gosh, amazing creations.